one of the pearls, it's probably that pearl.